Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to make iPhone and iPod Touch applications on Windows. So first you have to go to the website and the link is in the video description. Then you have to go and to download for SDK and download it. Whenever it's downloaded, go to the download folder. Extract the download folder. Go inside and open the update example. In there, rename DragonFireSDK.aaa to DragonFireSDK.lib. Then open example.dsw. When that's done, you'll get something like this, or you actually have to open it over to the left in the Solution Explorer first. Anyways, this is not how it will look on your screen. This is something I've made, and this is what I'm gonna teach you to do. So let's just see the result. This is our result. It says click activate. There's a button saying activate. We click it and it says you clicked. A simple application, easy to do. So why don't we try? First, we have to tell our application to load the fonts which we need to type in. So these three codes, int.fontlarge, int font medium, int font small. These three ints we have to type in here. This one, ignore this one, we've not come to this yet. Whenever those three ints are typed in, go down into your void app main and add these three lines. Font large equals font add, font medium equals font add, and font small equals font add. Then 24, 14, 12. Anyways, so add these three lines. The codes are also in the video description if you cannot see them in the video. Okay, whenever that's added, what this does is it just tells the application that these are the fonts which are going to be used whenever font large, font medium, or font small is called upon, as it's here. Okie doke. So now we have to make our button, which is gonna click, and then there's gonna appear a new text. And that we have to add this int on button, int id, that code right there. And whenever that's added, we go back down into our void app main and look at this piece of code. Okay, well, this is built upon now what you have to start to do is you just have to type in button add, and there we go. Okay, this is the file name which of the two images. You have two images in here, two images, an unclicked and a clicked button. You have to get those images for yourself. I've made it with an online button maker somewhere. I just googled it, and then you name them whatever you want, but I just think it's easier with button 1 and button 2. 1 is for the unclicked and 2 is for the clicked. Now you have to name them number 1 and 2 afterwards. Then in here you just type the first file name, which for mine was button, and then that's done. Let's proceed to the next one. This number is the x coordinate. You could do basically any position you want. You could do 50 or this thing, but I think that's a lot of hardcore, so I'm just gonna do 100. The next number is the y coordinate, and I'm gonna do that for 50. This calls upon our int on button. Just type an on button there and leave it. Just type in 0 here as well, and you've got the button add. Okay, let's try to check out what this does in our simulator. Okay, builders. Never mind, we can't do that right now. But what it just does is it adds a button saying activate, and click that says activate as well. Now we have to make our text which is click activate. Friendly text. Okay, so type in the code text add. The first part is our x coordinate. This I put to 60 because I like its position. The next is our y coordinate. This I put to 80 for the same reason. Now this is the text which it's going to say. I've selected click activate, but you can do anything you like at all. Just remember to start and end it with quotation marks, comma. Now this is the size of the font. This could be either font large, font small, or font medium, or if you downloaded more fonts you could do it any other one you coded in. So that is gonna add our text saying click activate. This is gonna add, sorry, that was it. This is gonna add this thing, the button saying activate, and the text appears saying click activate. So that's how far we is right now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new text appear whenever the button is clicked. So to do that, we have to add end on button after the ending bracket of the void app main. So after this bracket, you just simply type in end on button end ID. No semicolon. Alright, then type in, make a starting bracket, and make another text add with your different coordinates, and another text. So remember this code, just type in. You could do anything you want here, anything you want to happen whenever the button is clicked. Underneath, you always have to make return or it won't work. When you get deeper into it and get to learn the SDK better, you could change the number 0 and such to make different functions, but we'll just leave it at 0. Or I think that's it. I don't know, I haven't tried it. Then just an ended bracket. So our quick small little application is actually done. Let's try to debug it. Click activate. Okay. Activate. You clicked. I certainly did. So our application is done. To show you that you can actually easily modify it, I'm just gonna change the font size of this one. Now we've got a smaller text. Oh, sorry, that's an error. It should not happen to yours. It's just something that happens to mine because I accidentally deleted a file. Anyways, so that's it. I guess that's it. Yeah. So you can if you want to learn more different functions and such, you can head over to DragonFireSDK.com and click Docs up here and learn about the different functions in their API here. These are all the different functions. Just click something and then you can learn about it. It'll tell you everything you can do. So if you want to make this usable for devices, you although need a better account on here, which pretty much sucks because you cannot get that at the moment. So you cannot only use it on a computer in the simulator. You cannot use it on your device yet. Anyways, I hope you like this, as I'm a little confused myself about it, but I hope I'm understandable. So see you around.